Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class I'm going to be showing you the fun and easy way to enter into the world of watercolors. You're going to be painting along to 6 simple yet beautiful beach landscape paintings. By the end of this course you'll have the confidence and skills to understand how to paint any beach landscape scene in less than half an hour. This comprehensive class contains 6 full landscape painting demonstrations of varying complexity. I'm going to be walking you through how to complete each painting step by step as you follow along. In this Watercolor Painting Essentials Beach Landscape course, I'll cover basics such as materials, what paints, paper, brushes and pens you'll need. I'll go through 6 full demonstrations that will guide you along so you can create similar results from any reference photo. I'll also touch on light sources, how to paint realistic shadows. I'll also talk about sketching subjects and how to simplify a landscape into basic shapes using a combination of loose and accurate drawing and painting styles. In this class, I'm going to be going through a lot of hands-on demonstrations of specific techniques that you're going to be using when painting all these different scenes. It's very important to know how to execute certain techniques so you get the right result at the end. So while I'm painting, you'll be able to watch along and see what I'm doing while I explain. In particular, I'll be going through techniques on how to paint clouds, water, land, and figures. So join me in this class and let's have some fun painting.